One corset making tip that you should know is bra cup tightening in order to give a firm grip on the breast. So if you're wondering how this was made to have this firm grip on the breast, then you should continue to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show us how to tighten a bra cup. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to tighten a bra cup. So this is my bra cup and I'm just going to be tightening it by 0.25. So that means 0.25 and 4. That means I tighten the bra cup by 0.5 inch. That's half inch. Or you can do 1 inch depending on how deep you want to create, how much depth you want to create on your bra cup. You can do between 1 inch or 0.5. That means if you're doing 1 inch, it will be 0.5 on fold and or 0.25 on fold if you're doing 0.5 inch tightening. So this is just to give this firm grip on your breast in order for the breast to have more space to sit and even to push up the breast if you're not using a push up bra cup. So this will give this, just push the bra up, the breast up. So I'm just measuring this in order to find the midpoint of my bra cup. I'm just going to use my marker to indicate the midpoint. So if when I'm taking the dart or this, because this is just like that, I won't just take it straight down to the midpoint. I'll stop about, let's say, half inch before the midpoint in order to avoid any kind of sharpness. Just take your measurements straight from the up there and stop about 0.5 before you get to the midpoint. So I will be taking 0.5 on this bra cup because I didn't want to tighten it too much. So I'm just going to place it on my sewing machine right now and mark 0.25. And I'm just going to use my marker to just take it straight down to the midpoint. Then I'll stop just about 0.5 before the midpoint in order to avoid any kind of sharpness. So I'm just going to take it to the same machine and sew like that. So I use constructing thread in order for us to see how it looks like. So here is the bra cup. So can you see? So once I stop before the, can you see the depth? So this will push up the breast. So this is the bra cup that I've not tightened. Can you see the difference? There's more depth for this cup that has been tightened, and there is no kind of sharp edge here. Can you see that it was smooth there? It was because that I did not take the dart to the midpoint. So can you see? It's just not sharp there. It's just a coffee around there. So this is just going to push up the breast and give the breast room to sit in the bra cup. Then yeah, I'm still going to tighten it under too before we've tightened it up there. We're still going to tighten it down there in order to give more kind of grip for the breast too. So I'm taking this back to my sewing machine to tighten it below, and I'm still going to stop about half inch before the midpoint. You know, I've marked my midpoint already, so I'll take this back to the same machine and tighten it again using the same measurements I use up there. So I use 0.25 on fold. So if you use 0.5 on fold, that means that's the same thing, going to take down there too. Can you see my bra cup here? It's just going to give a firm grip on the breast, and the breast will sit properly in the cup. So this is it for this tutorial. I don't know if this or depth shows on the camera the same way I'm seeing it, but once you try this, you're going to see the difference. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and also share this video. Please share this video and also comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And please, once you try this, let me know the difference between the cup you tighten and the one you did not tighten. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.